is, you know, the hip. There's a few things that really
No, not really.
Okay, good. Wait, ma'am.
What?
Noise.
You want me to take it in my room?
No, I didn't expect you to open it either.
I'm just gonna be sitting in the walkway. You can't get through.
If the person who can't get through is myself, that's how I get through it with the king. You need a break. I see. Damn it,
You see what?
You're making noises that headphones on me.
Just put your headphones on, please.
If I'm offering to just let you take a break, and who knows, maybe I can get Luigi to open it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I know. That's why I have to keep biting my tongue and not, or my tongue, or my, keep having to restrain myself from.
Her nurse is coming.
What?
Her nurse is coming soon, and we think that we can get him to deal with that so you can take a break.
Good. I'll take a break. I'll figure out where's where I put Etch-a-Sketch. I told the girls I wanted Etch-a-Sketch, and they looked at me like, what?
No, Mom, leave that there, please.
Alas, poor Yorick. I knew him well.
That's poor Yorick.